This video tutorial I will explain AspectJ at around annotation example. At around annotation declares the around advice. Around advice will be executed before actual method call and after actual method call. Here I have defined the class employee service. It has three methods: add employee, modify employee, and delete employee. Here I have defined the class logging aspect, and in this class I have applied at aspect annotation. So this class acts as a aspect class, and it has a log around method which accept proceeding join point as a parameter, and in log around method I have applied at around annotation, and I have defined point cut as add employee method of employee service class. So before calling add employee method of employee service class, up to this part will be executed. Then when it comes to this point, it will call the add employee method. After executing add employee method, this part will be executed. To enable AspectJ, we have to put AspectJ auto proxy, and here I have created bean for employee service class, and here I have defined aspect classes logging aspect class. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file, using getBean method of application context object, getting employee service object from Spring container, and calling add employee, modify employee, and delete employee methods. And here you can see the output, and here you can see in add employee method around advice is applied. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.